Hello, hi everyone. So on the May 7th of the 2020, so that styrene gas is leaked from the styrene gas is leaked from the LG Polymers India Private Limited, which is located in Narara Venkatapuram of the Vishakhapatnam. The early morning 3 o'clock, that styrene gas is leaked from the industry, and which was affected the up to the 5 kilometers of the radius in the vicinity of that particular company. And almost the most of the people are affected, suffering with what like coma, and some of the people are entered into the unconsciousness, and some people are irritation on the eyes and irritation on the skin. So all these type of the symptoms they are experiencing. Now we'll discuss entire the story of this incident, and what is monomer and what is polymer, and what is this LG company, and what are the Supreme Court judgments are there on these type of the what pollutions. That all we need to discuss entire in detail manner, right? So watch entire video, you'll understand all the topics very clearly, right? Now starting with this one, this LG company, whatever the LG company is there here. So this is the LGPA, we call the company name is the LGPA. So that is the LG Polymerase India Private Limited. LG India Polymerase Limited, which came to existence in the year 1997 originally. Right, the company originally this was not established by the LG company. The company originally established in 1961 by the Sriram Group with the name of the Hindustan Polymers. Sriram Group with the name of the what Hindustan Polymers, and this was established in the 1961 in Vishakhapatnam. And later, after the some years, after the 17 years, again that company was merged into the UB Group. UB Group, that is a group known as what Vijay Mallya's group and Vittal Mallya's group. That UB means United Beverages. United Beverages, that is headquarter is the Bangalore, and this group completely this Hindustan Polymers company is merged into the so UB Group in the 1978 year. So later what happens, and in 1997 that LG, which is a South Korean based company, completely purchased this company from the UB Group, and it became renamed as the LG Polymers India Private Limited from the July 1997 onwards. So it was acquired from the UB Group. So which UB Group is merged, UB Group has taken this company from the Hindustan Polymer to the UB Group, and UB Group to the what LG Polymers. So now 1997 onward, this company is known as what LG Polymers India Private Limited. So private limited from 1997 onwards. So what is this, which type of the polymers these companies will produce? This company will produce the styrene, so the famous polymer. So this company is very famous for the production of the what styrene. So this styrene is the important polymer which is used in the making of the what plastic item like thermocol sheets and plastic plates and plastic papers, so plastic glasses, whatever the plastic generally we are using. So in that making of the plastic, the styrene is the one of the important polymer. So which is the South Korean company which is having the worldwide presence. So in order a worldwide presence in making of the polymer known as what styrene, right? So that was the original story of this company. Now we can check the plant established in the 1961. 1978 it was acquired by the UP Group, and 1997 LG Chemicals entered into the India, and 1997 onwards that Vizag company is acquired by the what LG Polymers India Private Limited, and in May 2020 there is a deadly gas leakage. And now that we are saying that styrene gas is leaked from the that plant. Now we need to understand what is that styrene gas. So before, styrene is a one of the polymer, we are calling this, we are styrene is different from the styrene gas. Styrene gas, that is gas form, styrene is a liquid form. Styrene is a liquid, and that is the styrene gas is a gaseous form. So now we need to discuss all this one. What is a monomer? So monomer is a single molecule. When the single molecules combine together from the what combine together from the larger molecules, that larger molecules are known as what polymers. Larger molecules are known as what polymer. You can check the definition of the monomer. A monomer is a molecule that can be reacted together with another molecules to form the larger polymer. Like example, take an example of the normal life. Take example of the manufacturing of the laddu. So before manufacturing of the laddu, we need to make the what bundi. So bundi will have the what very small particles of the bundi. All the small particles of the bundi will combine and together form the what, so laddu. So laddu is a polymer, and the whatever that all small bundi particles are there, all those bundi particles are the what monomers. All the monomers are combined together what polymers, and this reaction is known as what polymerization. So how the monomers are changing into the what polymers, that entire reaction is known as what polymerase or polymerization. So that is the monomers are converting into the what polymers, that reaction is known as what polymerization. Polymerization. So in our body, that right, Again, that polymers are the two types. Natural polymers are there, synthetic polymers are there. So our body also having the natural polymers are there in our body. For example, amino acids are there. So in our body consisting of the proteins. So these proteins are polymers, and these proteins are made from the, and these proteins are manufactured from the what, amino acids. Amino acids are the monomers. Two amino acids together form the what, proteins, and protein is a polymer. Protein is forming from the what, combination of the different amino acids are there in our body. Different amino acids together form the what, proteins, which means protein amino acids are the what, monomers, and proteins are the what, polymers. That is the formation of the amino acid to the proteins is known as what, polymerization. Where it will occur? So there is a particular organ is there in our body. That organ is the ribosomes are there. So in these ribosomes, that manufacturing of the proteins will takes place. That is synthesis of the proteins will takes place in the ribosomes. That is amino acids together form the what, proteins. That is a polymerization. In the same way, so that is a human body, and all the animals body and viruses and bacteria bodies having the different genetic materials. So human body having the DNA, and some of the animals are having the RNA as their genetic materials, right, the base of the life. And again, DNA and RNA having the nucleotides like adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, or these are the right. So these are the nucleotides are available on the DNA strands, and these adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine are also monomers. And RNA having extra uracil. So uracil. So uracil RNA also having the adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil RNA having. So all these are the what, monomers only. So that nucleotides are having the what, monomers, and these monomers are the what, natural monomers. And glucose is a what, monosaccharide, which means having the single molecules. And sucrose, starch, glycogen, all these are the what, polysaccharides, which is combination of the what, so many glucose molecules. Right, isoprene is a natural rubber. Isoprene is a natural rubber, which is the polyisoprene, 1,4 polyisoprene. So natural rubber, and this is also what, naturally available what, polymerize. And synthetic polymers, if you take the synthetic polymers, so tetrafluoroethylene form the Teflon in the industrial process, and vinyl chloride upon heating it is come the what, polyvinyl chloride, and the styrene leads to the formation of the what, polystyrene. This is the only so reaction responsible for the leakage of the gas in the Vishakhapatnam. How the styrene upon heating is changing into the what, polystyrene. Styrene is a what, monomer, and polystyrene is a what, polymer. So this is the monomer. Many styrene molecules together form the what, polymer. That polystyrene is formed because of the combination of the what, many styrene molecules. That how the styrene will form into the polystyrene upon heating. So when the styrene is heating and change it into the what, polymer, polystyrene, in this process the gas is leaked. That gas is known as what, styrene gas. We will discuss that gas in further. Now this gas leakage is happened in this Vishakhapatnam, right? So this is not only these type of the incidents are not new to the India. There are many incidents are happened in India. If you check these type of the gas leakages, 1984, that famous Bhopal gas leakage, methyl isocyanate, not cyanide, isocyanate. And next in the 2011, that is the chlorine gas is leaked from the so treatment effluent treatment plant in the Pimpri Chindwada in the Pune of Maharashtra. And again the poisonous gas is leaked from the Bhilai steel plant in Durg in Chhattisgarh. And again the ammonia leaked from the so Ratnagiri plant in Mumbai. And these are so many incidents. Oleum gas is leaked in the 1984 in the fertilizers company in the Delhi. Right, there, like these so many incidents are there. All these incidents are the leakage of the gases only. That Vishakhapatnam is a not new one. There are many other incidents also happen in India. The future also very famous. We know that Bhopal gas tragedy. Right. Now that is the styrene. So we are known as that company, LG company, is manufacturing the what, styrene. So how this styrene is this? See this. Benzene and ethylene molecules. Benzene molecules and ethylene molecules react together from the what, ethyl benzene. Ethyl benzene. So this ethyl benzene again upon oxidation changing into the what, styrene. Ethyl benzene upon oxidation changed into the what, styrene. So that is the what, benzene and ethylene form the what, ethyl benzene, and ethyl benzene is changing into the what, styrene in the presence of the styrene. So that is a zeolites, that is a catalyst, or AlCl3 used as a what, catalyst, or hydrogen fluoride used as a what, catalyst. This is one of the reaction. Or other reaction you can form this one. Again the second reaction, benzene plus ethylene in the presence of the rhodium catalyst again changing into the what, styrene. So that is the whatever the styrene we are hearing, that is the combination of the what, benzene and the what, ethylene. So this was a reaction. Now this styrene is what, monomer, and the monomer is changing into the what, polymer. That is we require important one. So this is the styrene is the ethyl benzene, that is the what, monomer, and again it is changing into the what, polymer. So that monomer changing into the what polymer. So that is in the presence of the how it will change into the polymer upon heating. So this is what polymerization. The polymerization process will take place because of the what heating only. When we are heating the styrene, it will changing into the what polystyrene. That was the reaction heating mechanism. During that heating process, that styrene gas will be evolved. That styrene gas only leaked in the Vishakhapatnam, that is LG Polymers India Private Limited. When this gas will leak, when we are making the styrene to the what polystyrene, and due to the this heating of the styrene to the polystyrene, the gas will form. That gas is known as what styrene gas only. So that gas is leaked from the that company originally, right, on May 7th of the 2020. The styrene gas is released during the polymerization reaction from the styrene to the what polystyrene upon what heating. So this reaction, when this is changing into this one, so upon heating, so then automatically that gas is leaked upon the heating of the styrene to the what polystyrene, right. Now when the polystyrene, that is the styrene gas is leaked, then immediately the styrene gas is enters into the what human body. So that was released in the early morning 3 o'clock, when the most of the people are sleeping at that time. So that is right, very depth sleep. And at that time, when this styrene gas is entered into the trachea, that is a nose, and nose into trachea into the what lungs, and reaches the what entire lungs. So that entire lungs are filled with the what styrene gas only. This entire lungs are filled with the styrene gas. Then automatically there is no entry of the oxygen into our body. So as for the biological standard, if the person is not getting the oxygen for the 4 minutes of the time, automatically will go into the coma. So here the person from the early morning 3 o'clock onwards, when you are inhaling the completely styrene gas, then automatically entire body, that lungs will have the what styrene gas only. There is no space for the entry of the what oxygen. So that's why the people are experiencing the what unconsciousness, coma. So when we are exposed to the eyes are right irritating. When it is exposed to the skin, and skin also irritating, all these things are happening, right. So that was a major reason. But there is no incidents were there, so it cause a cancer, some of the, right, but there is no scientific proof that it will cause the cancer. No. So take this one, when the average, so when the average of the this one, see with the 50 parts per million is there, if that is a 50 parts per million is there, the exposure of the this styrene gas is a 50 parts per million. Million means 10 lakh, out of 10 lakh, if the 50 molecular is there, so then there is a normal thing will happen. 6 molecules out, then expose the eyes, that it will cause the relation to the eyes and the nose. 600, if the 600 is there, it will cause the what irritation and improvement, and 800 drowsiness, coordination trouble, and anesthesia. And above the 800 parts per million, it causes the what risk of the what coma. That's why in the Vishakhapatnam region, so some people are entered into the coma, some people are experiencing the what drowsiness, and some people are like losing the consciousness, and they're falling on the roads while walking. So because of the coordination trouble, and some of the people are what entered into the what anesthesia, and all these are the right factors, and that is, so that is the right. So how it will affect on the human body, that will depends on the condition, that how much gas exposure to him. So whether it is 50 or 375 or 600 or 800, above 800 so parts per million, that depends upon the how much parts per million exposure to that particular person, right. Next, now what are the precautionary measures we have to take when it was exposed to this one. So move away from the accident place as soon as possible, that is a number one. Number two, we can use the what wet cloth or wet mask to cover the nose and mouth. Number two, if the eye irritation is observed, wash with clean water. And next, take the milk or banana jaggery to neutralize the effects of the gas. And don't consume the uncovered food and the water. And this was that if you are facing the any breathlessness and vomiting sensation and stomach ache, and you can consult the what so medical help immediately, especially then the childrens and the what old age people who are having the what most of the victims. And so move away from the place and use a wet mask or wet cloth and to cover the nose and mouth. If the eye irritation is observed, clean with water and take the milk and banana jaggery to neutralize the what effects of the gut, and don't consume the what uncovered food and the water. And these are the general principles you need to follow. And these are the very many Supreme Court judgments are there. So what are the Supreme Court's judgments are saying? The Supreme Court judgments are history of the Supreme Court judgment. So first time whenever these type of the environmental pollutions are appearing, and when the people are affected due to the these gases or any environmental degradation, who are living in the vicinity of that particular incident, So that is the OECD, Organization for the Economic Cooperation and Development, so which was located in the Paris, which is the highly developed countries organization, OECD. So OECD is the first invented the principle. The principle is known as what? Polluters pay principle. Polluter pay principle. The polluter pay principle is nothing but, so the person who is responsible that pollution, so that person should pay the compensation to the victims. That is known as what? Polluters pay principle. The person who is responsible for the incident, or that person is also liable to pay the compensation to the what? Victims. That is known as what? Polluters pay principle, which came to the existence by the first introduced by the OECD organization. So again the same incident, that same principle was adopted by the what? So sustainable development goals, that is Earth Summit sustainable development goals, a declaration of the principle 6 of the Rio declaration. Rio declaration is nothing but the sustainable development goals. So we need sustainable development goals 1992. So and that sustainable development goals also declared that, so we need to adopt the what? Polluter pay principle, which means all the countries are adopted the same principle, which was first initiated by the what? OECD. In the same way, Supreme Court also so used these polluter pay principles in India in many cases. We need to discuss that. What is the concept of this polluter pay principle? The polluter pay principle imposes a liability on the person who pollutes the environment and compensate for the damages caused, and return the environment to its original state regardless of the intent. So whether he is done with the good intention or whether he is done with the bad intention, that is not the matter. So that is, if the any pollution is occurred because of him, or any damage is occurred because